So, how's it, viewers? Another Sunday afternoon, and we're at Margate Pier. And yes, we got a pickup over here. We're just giving some time to eat. We put a live mullet out here. Let's have a look. So, fun and games again at Margate Pier. So let's have a look. So he's still eating. I just picked up the rod now. The policeman went up a bit. We saw a lot of activity there. And yeah, so he's on actually loose jack now, and that's what we normally do. Is give it some time to eat the fish, and then when he picks you up and then he goes, then we will give him a chance and we'll strike him and see if we did our job well. So let's have a look here. So we just got the pickup now, so it's still time. And once again, I got my good buddy Smura is here.
With the group Hardthrow.
Group Hardthrow members. I got Josh, Raj and everybody here. So let's have a look. As you can see, he is moving now quite a bit. But there's no rush. We've got quite a bit. We've got close to about 500 meters of line. The fish is not causing too much of movement. Right, yeah, now he's starting to move. Look at it.
There we go.
Now that means he's finished it, and now he's moving. He's already picked up my sinker. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try and set the hooks up now onto him. Right. And let's have a look at what happens now. Right. I'm just going to gauge him. I'm not going to close my drag. I'm just going to gauge him a bit and give him a couple of strikes. How's that? 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's have a look. If we did our job well.
Bang!
And we in.
And we in.
Once again, we have Mike Larry on the Margate Pier.
Right, so now give him some time to fight.
It's now 5 to 4, and he's got a nice run. And he's just now
he's
there's the
moving
fish.
quite a bit,
There's
yeah?
the fish. He's running again. Watch that reel. Watch it reel as it's spinning.
Okay, let's hear the sounds of a sl50 SH.
And he's just
I like the
smacked
sound
this
of
thing 3
SL50
times
SH.
already. And as you can check now, there's got Spoo and group Hardthrow with Josh.
We decided
Mike.
to give Saltiga a break. So we put our old favorite here,
Old school.
sl50 SH with our Loomis and Franklin. Alright,
It's happening right here on the Margate Pier.
Call us Angie.
That guy, see it now. So all the fishing addicts out there, like the chicks having on a Sunday evening, Margate Pier, and it looks like a nice run. And Mike is playing it and takes it quite a far distance to the Margate corner, booking corner there. He's trying to bring it in now.
but you can take the photos as well while you're videoing.
Yeah.
Right. Alright, so Spoo is confident to get it again. I also like the way it is. I'm going to go with Spoo's judgment once again.
And there you go, Spoo says, Spoo seems to think it's a garrick, so quite confident about it, and there's good teamwork now. We're going to try and bring this garrick in on the mark.
I want to go in the waves, I'll see.
Yeah, buddy. Can I go to the corner one? Wait, that no? Wait. George, give me the phone. How cool you can go down. There we go.
What is it? Eric!
You gotta look at it. It's not the problem.
Yeah. Trying to get a. Try to pick him up. Get it. On a live mullet. See him. Easy. Easy. Uya, pikirik ba? Uya.
Okay, we can see some color there. Okay, very close by now.
Watch out.
Okay, just move on my right. Clear on my right.
Huh? No, they're good at this in the center.
Oh no! Oh
No,
no!
wait.
Wait. Quiet! Don't do your thing now! Time to go down! No! Go! He's on the rock! Pull on the rock! On the rock! Move! 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 Okay, get down! Okay, let's move up on it. Let's go down! Move! Wait, wait! Wait, wait, wait! Right, David, boys! Come on! Hurrah! That's what we talked about. Okay, a bit of hard work to land the currents, but we managed to get our Garrick. Quite a bit of side wash, and we managed to land it. Thanks to Spoo and team down there. Okay, viewers, excellent stuff here at Margate Pier once again, Sunday afternoon. Yeah, with the help of our team down there, we managed to land the Garrick. Quite a bit of a side wash, quite a nice fight, we enjoyed it. Yes, our sl50 SH and our Lewis and Franklin, Old Faithful, yes, lovely stuff. We put on a bait, must have been about 20 minutes in there, and we got our pickup. Guys, wish you all the best. Thanks a lot. Fun and games here at Margate Pier. Come and join us. My friend Rajan.
Well
Good
done.
stuff.
Well done, Mike. Nice evening run. This will satisfy the evening. Well, made our day. Now, I'm just gonna have a look and see what it looks like down here now.
We keep you guys posted. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll keep you coming. We'll keep you coming. And yes, Hardthrow does it live once again. All the best, guys. That's what we're talking about. And don't forget my Maxima. Right, cheers, guys. Sweet.